Hello friends, today I will give you some important tips about the newly added topic, that is appreciation of the poem. That is very important question. This question is for 10 marks and it has been given to the 9th and 10th standard of Maharashtra board. It is for both the mediums, semi English as well as English medium. I have started with the English medium school. I have already uploaded 3 questions. This is the 4th important question that I am uploading. Afterwards I will start with the semi-English 9th standard. Then I will upload the videos for the 10th standard. That will be important for you in the coming year. So be prepared for that, be ready for that. This is our channel English Education. It is run by Chandrakant Thakre. I hope you will like the videos, you will like the channel. If you like it, like the videos and subscribe it. The very important thing, what we have to write here. There are many ways, because every person enjoys the poem differently, but for you these 8 points are given to appreciate. The first one is title, author, rhyme scheme, favorite line, central idea, figure of speech, special features, and why I like poem. Out of these 8 points, point number 5 and point number 7, these 2 points are for 2 marks. If you write other points impressively, it will be very easy for you to get 2 out of 2 in these 2 questions. So this is the poem that we have to study, Tansen. It is written by Hazrat Inayat Khan. Beautifully picturized it is. The first point, title, it is very important. I tell you, I would like to request you, just don't write the title and just don't go ahead. Think about it. Write it impressively. How I have written it. We must write something more about the title. Give some description, give some explanation. If there is any meaning, write about that. See, the name of the poem appeals to our curiosity. The title, Tansen, gives us feeling that there may be a beautiful story ahead, and the poem makes no disappointment. So nicely it is written. It will be very impressive. The next point, author or poet. Here also, just writing the name of the author or poet is not sufficient, though you will get it marked for it, but impression, it will not create. So how you will write? After reading the poem, the reader is compelled to see the name of the poet, Hazrat Inayat Khan. The poet expresses the rhythm of his soul in the poem. Yes, if you read the poem properly, you will see the rhythm. It is so nice, so beautifully constructed, each and every sentence. Now the rhyme scheme. Here also I would like to tell you, very important, or give you very important tip. Just don't write rhyme scheme and don't go ahead. Write something different. What I am going to give you suggestion, or what tips I would like to give you. I would like to tell you that just don't write the rhyme scheme. Write the number of stanzas, write the number of lines in every stanza. It will be very impressive. The poem is written in the form of couplet, which has successive rhyming lines, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, and so on for rest of the couplets. What is couplet? Couplet means a stanza of 2 lines. So every line ends with the similar sound. Therefore, the rhyme scheme is A, B, B. The next important point, central idea or theme. This is very important question because it will give you 2 marks. What you have to write? You have to write about the subject, subject of the poem that poet has dealt with. So, important things, important meanings. Let us see what we have written. This poem is narrative poem. Narrative poem means the story, the poem that is told in the form of story. This poem is narrative poem that describes the story of the appreciation that Akbar gave to Tansen for his singing. समझ रहे हो? तानसेन ने गाना गाया, जो पसंद आया अकबर को, पसंद आया और वो अप्रिशिएट किया, मतलब अपना ही जो पसंद है वो जाहिर की उन्होंने तानसेन के सामने. In response to Akbar's request to see his teacher, Tansen arranges the meeting. Akbar feels that the song sung by his teacher was heavenly and asks for the reason. The last couplet reveals the climax, that his Ustad sings to God without any expectation. That makes his song so beautiful. So nicely written, and in love with this construction beautifully. You will get 2 out of 2 marks. Definitely. Favorite line. First, mention the line. Ah, no, to thee I sing. He sings to God. This is the line that I have mentioned, which is really very beautiful. This is the last line of the poem. This is my favorite line. It reveals the hidden climax of the poem. It speaks about the greatness of Tansen's Ustad. तानसेन क्या बोलता है, मैं आपके लिए गाता हूँ, अकबर को बता रहा है, और मेरे उस्ताद गॉड के लिए गाते हैं, विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन. दैट्स व्हाई हिज पोएट्री इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच वहीं लिख दो जो भी फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है. रिपीटिशन देखो वहां लिखा है. अगेन मेंशन द लाइन. Ah, no, to thee I sing. He sings to God. Same line I have used because this is the most beautiful line. Yes, we find figure of speech. The word sing, sing is repeated. Therefore, it is repetition. Give the explanation. In this last line of the poem, the word sing, sings is repeated, and therefore the figure of speech is repetition. Again, important question. Point. Special features for 2 marks. Tansen is a narrative poem. It is written in the form of story. This is the feature. What is the feature? It is narrative poem. It is written in the form of story. The poet uses free conversational style while writing this poem. This is third important feature. किस तरह से लिखा है? फ्री कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टाइल में लिखा है. इट इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कपलेट. ये अलग सा फॉर्म, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. ये भी फीचर है. कौन से फॉर्म में लिखिए? कपलेट फॉर्म में लिखिए. द पोएट एक्सप्लेन्स द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द सेल्फलेसनेस इन डीड्स. दिस इज द इम्प्लाइड मीनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी. पोएम इम्प्लाइड मीनिंग लिखे. क्या क्या लिखा है देखो हमने. फॉर्म ऑफ द पोएम, टोन ऑफ द पोएम, स्टाइल ऑफ द पोएम. Now we are writing about the implied meaning of the poem. The story is presented in a systematic manner. Overall, the poem gives beautiful effect and forces us to appreciate it. So nicely we have written. See the next question. Why I like the poem? Yes, you have to give at least 2 reasons why you like the poem. Tansen is a narrative poem. This is my favorite poem from the textbook. पूरी की पूरी जो टेक्स्ट बुक है उसमें जितने भी पोएम्स है उसमें सबसे ब्यूटीफुल पोएम है. द पोएम अपील्स टू द इनर सोल एंड इंस्पायर्स अस टू बी सेल्फलेस. क्या सिखाती पोएम हमको? वी शुड ट्राई टू बी सेल्फलेस. माना कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं, कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट इतना तो हम कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि जो मिलेगा वो मिलेगा. काम करते वक्त एटलीस्ट इस तरह से काम करेंगे कि क्या मिलने वाला है उसके बारे में सोचेंगे. बाद में जो मिलना है वो तो मिलना ही मिलना है. करेक्ट. कैसे पोएम अच्छी लगी आपको? वीडियो भी अच्छा लगा होगा. लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. जो बच्चे दूर रहते हैं, गांव में रहते हैं, उनके साथ शेयर करो. ओके. डेफिनेटली आई विल अपलोड फर्दर वीडियोस. आई विल अपलोड द वीडियोस फॉर 10th स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो. सो कीप इन टच. आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करो. जैसे ही नया वीडियो आता है आपको पता चलेगा. थैंक यू.